Welcome to the Premium Long Range Shooting tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the rangefinder and handheld weather meter. With those equipments, you will be able to shoot at random distance targets in a dynamic weather environment. Please take the rangefinder from the table. The rangefinder in the game can be used to measure distance, azimuth, and the pitch angle. Now, please use the reticle to aim at the distant red building. Press trigger button to take a measurement, release the trigger button to end the measurement and save the result. Press A or X button to send the measurement result to the handheld weather meter through the data link. Now, please take the handheld weather meter from the table. The handheld weather meter in the game is used to capture environmental data about wind and atmosphere. It also has a built-in ballistic calculator that can compute the ballistic correction value to hit the target. The first page of the handheld weather meter screen is the ballistic calculator page. Please check the illustration to learn the elements displayed on the page. The data of red building you previously sent to the handheld weather meter by using the rangefinder is stored in target A. Now, please press the trigger button under the ballistic calculator page to enter the target management page. Please press the trigger button to access the target option. Please press the A or X button to change the target to B. Now please use the rangefinder again to measure the blue building in the distance and send the measured result to the handheld weather meter. Here you can see that the data of the blue building is stored in target B. Using this procedure, you can store at most 10 different targets' data and quickly switch between them. Please press the trigger button again to exit the target option. Please press A or X button to move the cursor to the confirm option at the bottom. Please press the trigger button to check the confirm option to return to the ballistic calculator page. Now turn the handheld weather meter screen to the wind information page. Please check the illustration to learn the elements displayed on the page. When measuring wind speed and direction, you need to keep the handheld weather meter vertical, then hold the device and turn around. You need to observe the compass on the screen, and when the arrow in the center of the compass is pointing to the center of the sector that represents the direction of the wind, press and hold the trigger button to record the wind speed and direction at that point. Now refer to the illustration to measure the wind speed and direction. You have completed your wind speed and direction measurements. Now please turn the handheld weather meter screen to the atmospheric information page. Please check the illustration to learn the elements displayed on the page. Now press and hold the trigger button to measure temperature, air pressure, and humidity on the atmospheric information page. You have completed the measurement of the atmospheric information. Now turn the handheld weather meter screen to the rifle information page. In the rifle information page, you can view the data of the rifles and bullets currently loaded in the ballistic calculator. Please press the trigger button on the rifle information page to enter the rifle management page. On the rifle management page, you can switch the rifle data loaded in the ballistic calculator. Please switch the rifle to the R700-338 rifle. You have reviewed all of the functions and usage of rangefinders and handheld weather meter. Please note that changes of wind speed and direction have a significant influence on the ballistics of long-range shots, so it is recommended that you should measure the wind before each shot, while the atmosphere changes more slowly and has less influence on the ballistics, so it is recommended that you measure the atmosphere every 15 minutes. Please shoot the targets inside the red and blue buildings to complete the tutorial. Congratulations, you have completed the premium long-range shooting tutorial of this game. You can select to replay this tutorial sections from the game menu. Have fun!